Hi! To start with the recipe, first, let's properly clean our 2 to 5 lbs of oxtail. Place it in a bowl and wash thoroughly with water, the juice of 1 small lime, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This traditional cleaning method helps remove any impurities and adds a subtle freshness. Make sure to pat the meat completely dry with paper towels. You'll know it's ready when the surface feels completely dry to the touch. Now let's create our flavorful marinade by combining 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of pickapeppa sauce, 1 teaspoon each of all-purpose seasoning, oxtail seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder, plus 1½ teaspoons of gravy master browning sauce, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Massage this mixture thoroughly into the oxtail pieces. You want every piece to be well coated. The meat should have a rich, dark color when properly seasoned. Heat 3-4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Here's where the magic starts. Add 1½ tablespoons of dark brown sugar and stir until it melts. You'll know it's ready when the sugar turns into a deep amber color and starts to bubble. This creates that beautiful caramelized base for our sauce. Time to brown our seasoned oxtail. Place the pieces in the pot with the caramelized sugar, working in batches if necessary. Don't rush this step. Each piece needs about 2-3 minutes per side until you see a rich, dark brown color developing. This browning process is crucial for developing those deep, complex flavors we're looking for. Add 4 to 6 cups of water and the gravy master to the pot. The liquid should just cover the meat. Cover the pot and let it simmer on medium-low heat. This is where patience comes in. Oxtail needs about 2½ to 3 hours to become tender. You'll know it's getting there when you can easily pierce the meat with a fork. By the way, since many of you ask about this pressure cooker that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now it's time to add our aromatics. 1.8 ounces of chopped onions, 2.5 ounces of bell peppers, 5 sprigs of fresh thyme, 1.5 ounces of scallions, 2.1 ounces of tomato, and that crucial 1/2 Scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Don't forget to add the 4-6 cloves of minced garlic, 0.28 ounces of ginger, and 7 pimento berries. These ingredients will create that authentic Jamaican flavor profile we're looking for. If you're using butter beans, now's the time to add 1 can. They'll soak up all those amazing flavors while adding a creamy texture to the dish. Make sure to drain and rinse them before adding to remove any excess sodium. Let everything continue to simmer until the oxtail is fall-off-the-bone tender and the sauce has reduced to a rich, thick consistency. This usually takes another 30 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's perfect when the meat easily separates from the bone with just a gentle pull. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. The sauce should be rich and glossy, coating the back of a spoon. If it's too thin, let it simmer uncovered for a few more minutes. Serve your oxtail hot, preferably with some rice to soak up all that delicious gravy. The meat should be so tender it practically melts in your mouth. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.